How to use the Microsoft Security Compliance Toolkit. Download the Windows 10 baseline. Download the toolkit and configuration files for Windows 10 latest version, such as V22H2 from the official Microsoft website. Search for Microsoft Security Compliance Toolkit 1.0 in the Download Center. Extract the files and use the installation script. Inside the downloaded folder, there will be a subfolder named Scripts, which contains a pre-built PowerShell script named baseline local install.ps1. How to use LGPO. Download from the Microsoft Security Compliance Toolkit and extract the file. You will find the LGPO.exe file. Then, extract the LGPO file, and you will see LGPO.exe. Move it into the Windows 10 V22H to Security Baseline folder, like in this video. Then, open the command prompt with administrator privileges and type cd per d followed by the location of the Windows 10 V22H to Security Baseline folder. Copy and paste like this. Then, copy the command lgpo.exe and paste it into the folder and press Enter. I will put these scripts in Google Docs so you can access them easily and quickly. The script will then automatically install the settings. Please wait a moment. It will be ready soon. Once the installation is complete, type the update command. You can copy and paste it. Please take a look at the agent's evaluation score. It's currently at 38%. I'll restart the machine and check again to see if the security evaluation score has increased. As you can see, the safety score has jumped to 60%. At least it's better than setting the default. Doing this makes our Windows system much more secure. Hopefully, this will be useful to all of you viewers.